It is town meeting season, and that has communities across Massachusetts pushing back on a state law that aims to build more housing all near public transit spots.
We have NBC 10 political reporter Matt Pritchard in Wakefield with a look at why these communities are finding so much fault with the plan.
Wakefield is a really good example of that frustration. Locals here say that housing has already been built in this area. In fact, you can sort of see it with that massive development right over there. But all the same, state officials say more is needed and compliance with the MBTA communities law is mandatory. After a marathon town hall meeting,
it's really impacting the people that live here as far as our everyday life.
Wakefield locals are waking up in a state of flux. The town is one of many that needs to comply with the MBTA communities law, which aims to rezone transit areas for multi-unit housing.
This idea of ceding local control to the state and dictating how we handle zoning is really concerning.
Now, Councillor Ed Dombrowski sees a variety of issues with the law, voicing a willingness to find compromise, but also looking towards the town of Milton's approach, which voted down a compliance plan and called into question the legality of the law itself.
Did they exceed their authority? I think it's a novel question and an important question to be asked.
But Attorney General Andrea Campbell is quick to push back, reiterating the importance of meeting the state's guidelines.
My job as Attorney General and the Chief Law Enforcement Officer of the Commonwealth is to make sure that our people are following the law.
Pointing to the dozens of communities that have passed rezoning plans.
The majority of municipalities are either in compliance or working to come into compliance by the end of this year.
And while that list grows, others remain locked in a turbulent process, including legal challenges in Rockport and voting down zoning changes in Marshfield.
Definitely not that MBTA.
This is a brewing political fight that the governor is banked in on.
And keep in mind, the Attorney General has already sued the town of Milton for not being in compliance with this law. That goes before the Supreme Judicial Court this fall, and something many of these towns are going to be watching closely. In Wakefield, Matt Pritchard, NBC 10 Boston.